Hello guys, so today in this lecture we will understand the acid properties, right. So we have seen in the relational database is the acid compliant. So what acid means? In acid the A means atomicity, so we will talk about atomicity today. So this atomicity means all or nothing. So what do you mean? Means any particular transactions, either it will execute all the statements in between one transactions or it will execute nothing. Okay, this is the whole goal of atomicity. Okay, all or nothing. So a transactions should behave like a single actions. Okay, so here for an example there is a transactions, I have written begin transactions. So the transaction is getting started from here and this is one statement. That one statement is what? So the idea is what we are doing is we want to transfer one account A, right, from one account to another account. We want to transfer some money from one account to another account and transfer volume is 10,000. So what will be happening? Account A 10,000 will be minus and account B 10,000 will be plus, right. So there are two statements. One is we have to deduct the value 10,000 value from your balance for account A ID is 101. So the statement is update accounts table, set balance is balance minus 10,000 where account ID is 101. This is one statement. Okay, this is one statement. And another statement is the value we are deducting from account A we have to credit to the account B, right. So the same thing we are writing update accounts set balance equals to balance plus 10,000 where account ID equals to 202 because account B account ID is 202, right. So what atomicity means? Whether if any of these statement is having any issues, right. Suppose statement 1 got success, but statement 2 some issues came because of constraints or anything, some issues came, this update query somehow got failed, right. So then what will happen? The statement 1 what got executed, it will be rolled back. Okay, it will be rolled back. So this is what the whole idea of atomicity. After statement 1 and statement 2 get succeed, then only the commit will happen. Commit will happen means it will be permanently written, right, it will be permanently written. So until this particular transactions gets committed, right, then the particular value will not be permanently written in the table. So it will be only inside that particular transactions. Okay, so if both the statements succeed, commit the whole thing, right, commit the whole thing. So what is commit means? Commit means permanently writing this particular data into the hard disk. Okay, so this is the whole idea. And if anything goes wrong in between, then rollback. So rollback is the command. In this, if you use rollback command, then it will automatically roll back all your changes, right, in that particular whatever happened inside the particular transactions. Okay, so I will tell a little in detail. So suppose account A, what is happening here, right. So what we have seen, there are two statements which is executing, and if any of these statements gets failed, it will be rolled back, right. So what that means? Suppose I am taking account A and I am taking account B. Okay, and account A balance was, suppose balance was 20,000. Okay, and account B balance was 5,000 or 50,000 I will say. Okay, now account A want to transfer 10,000 rupees to account B. So what we have seen, the first step 1 inside the particular transactions is we are deducting, step 1 we are deducting 10,000. So balance is becoming 10,000 in account A and the same 10,000 is getting added here. So 60,000. So this is step 1 and this is step 2, right. So suppose the step 1 got executed, the balance become 10,000, okay, on account A, and the step 2 while adding this value some error came. So what is happening? What will happen? If the rollback will not happen, account A will have 10,000 where account B will have still 50,000, right. Then the transactions will not get success, right, because the 10,000 got deducted from account A but still not credited in account B, and if the transaction gets succeed, right, then the 10,000 will be lost from account A, right. So what it will do, SQL will do, if there is any issues in this particular step 2, it will be rolled back. So what is happening? The 10,000 value will now become 20,000. 10,000 value will now become 10,000. But if these two get success, right, then only in hard disk the value will be written for account A will be 10,000 and account B will be 60,000. So this is what atomicity inside SQL, or or you can say MySQL or Oracle, any relational database, that in any transactions it will execute either all the statements inside one transactions or it will execute nothing. Okay, so this is the atomicity is meaning, right? Okay, I hope you got it. In the next video we will study what is consistency in ACID properties. Yeah, thank you so much.